Hello good people and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn how to look up a value caught up in a range of numbers in Excel. Let's say you're working on a list of customer invoices and you are supposed to apply a discount rate based on the subtotal for each invoice. You've been given a discount rate table. So example, for the first invoice, which is 1363.80, you look up here, it falls within 1000 to 1499. The reduction rate or discount rate is 3%. So we are doing this for all invoices here. We need to use a formula to make life easier. So to do this, we need to first of all create a lookup value out of the range we have here for each line. So example, 0 to 499 will be represented by 0 as a lookup value. 500 to 999 will be 500. So we are basically using the minimum points in each range to create our lookup value. So this 1005, 2000, and then the last one is 2500. This is to make it easier to use the numbers in the formulas. So now that you are done, you can use three options. You can use Vlookup, you can use if, or you can also use index and match. For this purpose, we'll use the Vlookup. So you stand in the cell that contains your answer and you start equal to Vlookup. It requires the lookup value, which is our subtotal, and the table array is the discount rate table where our answer will come from. So here I'm highlighting the entire discount rate table. You need to ensure that your lookup value, the numbers representing the minimum points, is the first column in the area you have selected. The second rule is that it has to be sorted in ascending order. So here you realize that the lookup value starts from 0 and goes to 2500. Same with the reduction rate. So I'll proceed. The next argument is column index number. Column index number is with respect to your discount rate table, where would your answer come from? Which column number? So 1, 2, 3. So this will come from 3, which is the reduction rate. In the final argument, we choose approximate match. So you normally choose approximate match for situations like this, where the lookup falls within a range. If the lookup is mapped to only one value and not a range, you choose the exact match. So we choose approximate match, or you can put in 1 for that purpose. So this is our full formula. Because I'll be copying down, I need to lock this red table so that it doesn't follow me as I go down. So I'll do F4 to lock this or anchor it. So I get 3% for the first one, and then I'll just double click and run this down. So if you look through, 11199 as an example is above 2500 and I get 8%. So it is a very quick way to apply or look up values that are caught in a certain range of numbers or bins. Please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more of these short videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll add you to our broadcast list. Videos are sent on Mondays and Fridays. All our old videos are on our YouTube channel, Excel Hacks for Productivity. Please visit and subscribe for notification of new videos, or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching.